In this tutorial, I'll show you how to turn on dark mode on WhatsApp. Let's see how to do this. For doing this, first of all, update your WhatsApp in latest version and then open WhatsApp. Then click on three dot icon from the top of right. Then go to settings option. Now scroll down and go to appearance option. Then go to app theme option. Now click on system default option. Now here you can see three options: system default, light and dark mode. Click on dark mode option, then click on OK. Now look, dark mode is enabled in WhatsApp.